are going to be these I-bars. So these are a constant tension tool, right? So you can glue on the panel and pull. A new update that CAMAUTO has made is this foot, this angle right here. You can now use these instead of just with a strap and pulling. You can use this with your porta-power, right? Put a pair of these up, put your porta-power in between, and pull. Another little design addition to this is this soft pad, this soft plastic pad underneath. You can use this if you need to wrap around and grab on two planes. So think of like a rocker panel or even a door jamb right at the front of a quarter where it returns in. We can grab onto this, get around the edge and go. Think of it through a trunk, right? Come here and be able to pull this way. Now, tech tip, if you're going to use this just for tension and you don't need to grab two planes, simply unscrew, pop this off, and get down to your just plain rigid I-bar. This will allow you to glue on the panel and pull and minimize your deflection left and right, reducing your chance for collateral damage while you're making these tension pulls. All right, so to show you a little bit more, right, of all the little hidden gems that are inside of this system, and that is this. With these long tabs, right, we've got our bar going through. We can grab with these hooks and grab individual areas. If we want to make a large, really strong pull, we can match two of these up and come with our cross beam here and pull everything. Really incredibly, incredibly strong. You almost need to think outside of the box a little bit, right? And use this to your advantage and get anywhere on the car that you want to go, right? Just an incredible, incredible little design.